सोचा कि मैं आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया दे दूं कि किस तरीके से आपको प्रोजेक्ट तैयार करना है। तो उसके लिए मैंने ये सोचा, तो दिस इज अ कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट एंड हियर I'll install the connector. So to install the connector, we'll be using pip install MySQL client. So MySQL client is connected, and now we are going to our Python. So to load the Python, I'm using here ideally the Python is loaded, and here I'm going to open a new file, and in this file I'll import the module import MySQL DB as, say, DB is alias name, and then we'll have to create one object for connection string. So objects, I said ob is equal to db dot connect. Then the first part of this connection string is host. So host is obviously local host, in this case local host, or you can use 127.0.0.1. This is basically the IP address of localhost, or you can say the loopback address, and comma, then user. So my user is root, and comma, password. So on password we'll write passwd is equal to, and this is your MySQL password. So over here in my system, my MySQL password is 12345. So I'll give 12345, and here close parenthesis. And now I'm going to open the cursor also. So for cursor, because cursor is a place where all the transitions of database are done, all the activities of MySQL are done, or you can say the Python database, Python and MySQL connectivity takes place in cursor. So I'm going to create the cursor. So cur is equal to cur, the identifier, ob dot cursor. This is the function cursor, and after that, since we have made the connectivity between Python and MySQL, now we are going to open MySQL database which I had created earlier. So how to create the database? So to create the database, I will have to use this object cur dot execute, and simply I'll have to write use the database name. So my database name was this, and closed, and this time I'm going to run this. So as soon as I go for run, it asks for the name to save the program. So write it, I'm taking it as connection 1 string. Since this is already exists, and this way my connection is done and your database is open. So this was the connection string which we have made in Python program. So uh, what you need? You need the connector. In this case, I am using MySQL client is the connector, and apart from this, I am using the cursor, the memory place where connectivity and all the transitions or connectivity transitions will be performed. So I have to create the cursor, and using the cursor, I will have to use or open the my database and MySQL database. My in this case, the database name is kissing. So I have used it, and after running this module, so it shows the prompt. This means my you know my connectivity is done. So hope you like it and hope you understood how to connect Python with MySQL or MySQL with Python so that we can perform our connectivity program. So hope you like it, or if you like it, kindly share with your friends. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.